Hi, I'm Barbie. Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made my Barbie Halloween costume with the fur and the paint on the shirt and everything. And I'm also going to be linking down below all the accessories that I have and the skirt. And I'll show you my entire outfit. I'm also going to be showing you the shirt that my boyfriend's wearing as Ken. He wouldn't really wear an entire outfit, so he's just gonna be wearing a cheetah button-up, but I will link that down below as well. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below. And let's just get on right into making this shirt. Okay, so for the top you're going to need, I got this shirt off of Amazon, and I just have a paper bag through it just so it doesn't transfer to the back when I paint it, but I will link this shirt down below in the description. And then I just printed out this Barbie logo so I can cut it out and paint it easier. And then I also have this craft boa in hot pink because I'm going to be putting it around the sleeves like that. And then I just got this glow in the dark pink paint. You don't have to get glow in the dark. I just thought maybe it would be cool if there was a black light where I'm going, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna paint the whole Barbie logo with those. And then I have this 3D glitter paint in silver, and I'm just going to outline it all once I paint it all pink. And then I just have my sponge to paint and the tape to tape this down and the scissors to cut it out. And that's all you'll need for the top DIY. Okay, so I just taped all of the stencil down, and now I'm going to take this paint and just dab it on so that it doesn't spread, you know? Okay, I took the paper off and it looks really bad around the edges and stuff, so realistically, if you can get a iron-on thing, get that because it's easier. But I'm just gonna outline the everything and try to cover it up as much as I can. It'll still look fine, so I don't really care. And this is the whole outfit together. This is my skirt. And then next I'm going to be taking this boa thing and I'm going to stitch it around where my wrists are gonna be. I'm not wearing it as a boa. And then that'll be the outfit complete. And then we'll have accessories. But right now this needs to dry for 4 hours, so I'm gonna let that do that first.
The next day.
Now I'm gonna take the boa and I'm gonna measure out how big my wrist is with it so that I can sew it on. And I'm also just gonna leave a tiny bit of wiggle room with it so that I don't have to squeeze my wrist through it, you know what I mean? Because this boa has no stretch to it. So now you're just going to need a needle and a thread and a little pair of scissors, or you could glue it on if you don't know how to sew, but I just think that it'll be more secure if I sew it. This is what it should look like roughly. I did a really bad job, but it's fine. Okay, this is what the wrists are gonna look like after you're done stitching it on. I'm gonna put the whole outfit on right now and show you all the accessories that I got to be Barbie, and I'll be right back. And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see me do Barbie makeup and like actually how I'm going to be doing my hair, let me know down in the comments and I will do that before Halloween. I'm going to put a picture right here of the shirt that my boyfriend is wearing for Ken. It's nothing crazy, but I'll also link it down below along with everything that I'm wearing. So if you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!